all in weekly educational news. Today we are going to take review of the events that happened in Eagle School Dholewadi. Here students take the challenges that given from teachers and completes in given time. So let's get the next information from our representation.
The founder of the Maratha Empire in India is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj by the name of Shubha. He was also called by his mother Jizabai. At the age of 15th, they gathered a group of loyal soldiers or Maulas and made a promise to create the Swarajya. As every year, Shiv Jayanti celebrated in our school. In this, the children of class 5th showed the most important event in the life of Shivaji Maharaj. In this, students dressed up in various characters and presented a play. Our school has started a new initiative to increase children's English reading speed. Every child's English reading should be according to his or her grade level. We have noticed that some children's reading speed in English is not according to the grade level. In year 2023-24, children should be given international standard education for this, at least the children should know Marathi, Hindi, English. According to that standard, the child must get all those academic results. Some teachers have observed that children's reading speed in English is slow. To improve it, the cooperation of all three elements, namely student, parents, and teachers, is necessary. The Rising Star is a group of selected children for reading English an hour of in-depth guidance and practice for children through this activity. Parents meeting is held in the school. In this, parents discuss their doubts and problems. The following points were taken up in this parents meeting. Formative evaluation test was discussed. The ongoing language development program under school activities was discussed. Discussion on international standard education for children under International Policy 2020. Discuss this under the Competent India policy. In these problems related to teachers, students, and school were discussed. Planting backyard compost. Carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen are elements that plants get through air and water. All other essential elements are obtained by plants from the soil. A chemical element that is essential and nutritious to plants is sometimes trimmed when it is given to them by chemical fertilizer. Students planted compost in our schoolyard. Another activity from our school is student court. This activity is taken once in a month. Students put their complaints in the complaint box and it is judged in the student court. In this, judge is selected by taking exam, and in this activity student was given understanding and also giving him some words like cleaning up the ground, words reading, table memorizing. 10th, the farewell ceremony. In this mixture, the not goodbye but humanity. How to forget these members of happiness? All our favorite class 10th students had a farewell ceremony, saying goodbye to all of them. Everyone's thought became think. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Every year many events like speech competition, quiz competitions are taken in the Dhalewadi on the occasion of Shiv Jayanti. Many students from our school were participated in this competition. Our third standard students got first prize and fifth standard students got second prize. In speech competition also another fifth standard students got third prize in quiz competition. Science exhibition. Science is the miracle of the various effects on human life and various discoveries made for it. We making our life more comfortable today due to science. That is why today's age is known as the age of science. We celebrate this Science Day in our school.
This is a very well-known instrument, all known as a microscope. We made it in our home by using cardboard, lens, tape, and plastic. We can see small particles with it, but not with our naked eye.
एवढा सिद्धी पण नाही करा व्हिडिओ करून कटर मध्ये दाखव
आणि
तुमच्या कंपनी
Cracker test completed. Now feel the
And Lunari clips. Lunari clips full Monday. Lunari clips seen by full Monday.
My project name is
कुणाला करत आहे फ्युअल की नाही झालं येऊ
स्पीच म्हणायचे
Marathi Rajya Din. Marathi Bhasha Divas is observed on February 27 every year. It is celebrated on 27 February to make the birth anniversary of famous Marathi poet Vishnu Vaman Shirvadkar, who was popularly known as Kusumagraj. He was an Marathi poet, playwright, novelist, short story writer, and humanist. Marathi is one of the most spoken language in India. We celebrated this Marathi Rajbhasha Day in our school. This time we conducted poetry competitions of Marathi for children from class 1st to 9th. Opposite words. Children are very bored while studying. They have to develop a taste for studying. In order to create the same taste of study, they have to be rooted in the study while playing with laughter. This is why the students of senior and junior KG are working hard with us. Let's see glimpses of it. Recreational games. Both education and sports are important. Studying is neglected while playing game, and while studying the game stops. Therefore, recreational games have been implemented as an activity in the school. The mind should be ready to meet challenges. The students of this school accept new challenges. Second standard student wrote 940 cardinal numbers. Second standard student wrote 400 words in Marathi. Fourth standard student made words chain of 500 words in Marathi. Sixth standard student wrote 951 Hindi words. Seventh standard student wrote 300 similar words. First standard student drew 33 examples of long and short things within 10 minutes.
Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.